Nakatense naman. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Maris Racal. I am the actress who played the role of Sunshine. Our film, Sunshine, went to a lot of film festivals all over the world. And we witnessed how it was appreciated by different cultures, different races. Pero alam niyo po kung saan kami kinabahan ay kung paano ito tanggapin ng mga Pilipino at ng Pilipinas. At sobra kaming natuwa dahil tinanggap ito ng buong buo. Natuwa kami dahil hindi lang maraming nakanood, kundi nagkaroon ito ng magandang diskurso. Mula sa mga nanay, mula sa mga conservatives, mula sa mga aktivista, at most especially, mula sa mga kabataan. Thank you so much, Manila Bulletin, for this recognition, because this shows that so many Filipinos, and that Filipinos have space for stories like this, stories that dare us empathize and see the real struggles of women like Sunshine. This award is also for my director, the director and writer of Sunshine, for her bravery in telling this story to the whole world. Para din to sa mga kababaihan at kalayaan nating ipaglabang ang ating mga pangarap. Maraming salamat.